Today I'm going to show you some combos that you can do for the Upraiz Tricking curriculum. Let's check it out. I'm Anthony and welcome to Upraiz. The channel is all about helping you build a solid foundation for your tricking so that you can excel at the sport. Today we'll be going over the 7th set of combos for level 1.9. And before continuing this video, I recommend that you have your 6th set of combos. If you do not, you can click right there for that tutorial. So the first combo is going to be a front scoot round to a front swipe hook. So you're going to do your front scoot round and follow through to a front side stance, but make sure you're keeping your swing leg off the ground and go into your front swipe hook. The second combo is going to be a front swipe hook to a front scoot round. So you're going to do your front swipe hook and follow through to a front side stance, but keep your cheat leg off the ground and throw your front scoot round. The third combo is going to be a back scoot round to a back swipe hook. So you're going to do your back scoot round and land in a backside stance, keeping that round kicking leg off the ground, and then throw your back swipe hook. The last combo is going to be a back swipe hook to a back scoot round. So you're gonna do your back swipe hook and land in a backside stance, keeping your hook kicking leg off the ground, and then throw your back scoot round. Now obviously if you're gonna attempt any of these moves, make sure that you have your grounded flip kicks down already, as well as your zero kicks too. I do wanna encourage you guys to mix up these combos with the combos that we learned earlier on this curriculum. And always remember to think about the move that you're doing as you're doing it, and remember to take these combos slow, and then as they get a little bit easier, you can add a little bit more speed or power. Let's check those out one more time. So that's it for today's video. I just want to say thank you to all the patrons that are supporting this channel. And if you would like to support this channel, please visit patreon.com/Upraiz Tricking. Here at Upraiz, I'm all about helping you build a solid foundation for your tricking so that you can excel at the sport. Next, we'll be getting into the 8th set of combos for level 1.9, and it'd be awesome to have you with us. Stay motivated, keep growing, Upraiz.